In our last session, we read a letter from a man who wondered what he should do about a woman who expects him to pay for all the activities on their dates. I suggested that there were many possible reasons for her expectations, and that if he wanted to develop a genuine relationship with her, he needed to find out what her reasons were. Now, back to the writer of the letter. So what exactly could you say to your girlfriend? Hints certainly don't work very well. You need to bring the subject up. We're often reluctant to do that, but think about it. You wouldn't be dating her more than once if you weren't thinking about a deeper relationship with her. And do you want a relationship with someone you can't really talk to, or with someone you don't really know? That's one of the biggest mistakes we make in relationships. We begin our associations with people based on relatively meaningless stuff like sexual attraction, frivolous conversations about light subjects, and being witty and charming. Who can't be witty and charming for a few hours at a time during the courtship period? All these things are great fun, but they have nothing to do with maintaining a long-term relationship. In dating, we need to begin the process of genuinely getting to know each other as soon as possible. If you wish to pursue a relationship with this particular woman, you need to get to know her better. Mind you, you're not trying to change her. You're not trying to please her. You're not trying to make a relationship into something it's not. You're simply gathering information to see if you want to pursue the relationship further. That attitude takes all the pressure off you. Can you see that? Relationships get so much easier when we remember this rule. Never try to get any one person or group of people to love you. Simply tell the truth about yourself and find out who is capable of loving you unconditionally. When you remember that, there is no pressure at all in the beginning of relationships. You're just gathering information. You're just finding the people you might want to have a relationship with. So back to this particular woman. What could you say to her? Here are some examples, and you can pick one or more to use, or make up your own. These are just some options. You could say, in past relationships, I've wasted a lot of time trying to figure out what my partner wanted or what she was like, and I've realized that's pretty dumb. Or you could say, I've enjoyed the time I've spent with you, and I'd like to get to know you better. Do you mind if I ask you some questions about relationships? Or you could say, I've been in relationships where women assume that men will pay for everything on a date. In others, women prefer to pay their way. And some are actually offended if the man pays. Some women don't like to talk about money at all. Where are you on this subject? Or you could say, I have my own preferences about how people should handle paying for activities when they're dating, but I'd like to learn what yours are. Or you could say, up to this point, I've been paying for whatever we do on a date, and I've been wrong to assume that that's how you want it. What is your preference? Now, assuming that you've asked the question, she may answer in a variety of ways. We'll talk about that in our next session.